We have the Daya, we have Earth Island, and Parmella. Let's melt this. Emergency, emergency! Okay, I burnt it. What's up? Today we are reviewing vegan cheddar cheese. All of these are shredded. I am here with my pal Chelsea and we are gonna try some vegan shredded cheddar cheese. We're gonna try it cold, give that a taste, and then we are gonna melt it up on some nachos, see what's stringy, see what's not, see what's delicious, see what's gross. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Cool. Okay, let's go with Earth Island first. Try this powdered.
Smells
cold.
Not great, but that's fine. Yeah, that's a no.
No for me too.
We're getting meaner.
Yeah. Next is Parmella. Yeah, but you can't judge a cheese by its
unmelted state.
Melted state. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I'll have this one giant ass strand of kind of slimy. Oh god.
It's not terrible.
It just tastes like what you think it would taste like.
Shredded processed cheese. Okay, let's try the cheese brand.
It's not orange.
It's not orange.
It's not orange. It's okay.
Yeah, it's better than the other one.
Redeeming themselves.
Okay, we got two more.
This is very yellow.
This is a cutting board one. That's a normal dial.
Oh.
None of these are special. Okay, so we have this going in the oven. So we got the vegan cheese, we have the Daya, we have Earth Island, and Parmella. Let's melt this. Emergency, emergency! Okay, I burnt it, but that's okay, because we can eat around the burnt bits. Putting in for like 2 minutes. Okay, so I definitely burnt some of the outside, but that's okay, because the cheese is just about perfect in terms of meltiness. I just had to broil at the top rack, and that's what happens.
We got distracted.
Yep.
It happens.
Okay, so first we are going to try Daya.
Move over.
Good point. Okay, try not to get burnt bits here.
They're all very different colors. That's interesting.
Don't burn yourself.
Ow. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
Odd texture. Like when you're eating it.
Hmm?
Well, it's kind of mushy. Like, I don't know. But
It's,
not
it's
bad.
a bit stringy.
Yeah. What do we got here, melting wise? There's some stuff going on here. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Okay.
Can't stop doing this.
For score, I'm going to give that a taste a 6, texture a 7.
Okay. I will do 7 across the board.
Okay.
Yeah.
7.
7.
Cool. Next, let's try cheese.
Okay.
This is the white mature cheddar.
It's got some melty action.
Weird aftertaste though.
There's a thing going on here, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, score.
Taste 4.5. And texture 6.5.
Yeah, taste I'm gonna give a 4. Texture 5. Cool. Let's try Parmella.
Parmella, okay.
Take out this burnt bit.
No burnt bits. Okay. I feel like my face is doing things that I'm not thinking about. Like my face looked more upset than I actually am. Are you okay?
Mine too. So for Parmella, I'm gonna give that a taste of 6.
Okay, I think I'll do 6.5.
Okay. And texture, I'm gonna go 7. Still have like
8.
kind of stringiness, a little bit.
I'm gonna go 8. I like it.
8? Whoa.
Yeah, I know.
That's surprising. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Last but hopefully not least, Earth Island Cheddar.
Yeah, it's fine. It tastes like melted cheddar cheese, I suppose, which is, I guess, what they're after.
That's exactly what they're after.
Yeah, exactly.
That's a good thing.
It is a good thing. I think I'm tired of nachos.
Yeah,
I'm like, yeah, another nacho.
Yeah, another nacho. We need some salsa in here.
Yeah. Give me some guac.
Okay, I'm gonna give that a texture, a 7, and a taste. I'm gonna give that an 8.
I'm gonna go with a 6.5. I felt like it was a little bit odd when I bit into it. But the taste is an 8. I feel good about that.
Cool. So, we have Earth Island in first. Earth Island in first, then we got Daya, then we got Parmela, and then she's in last. Outside of Nobody was disqualified.
But I feel like it would have been good.
Yeah. Disappointed about the moldy part, so get some like one of those salt packet things in there, maybe packaging.
Marlon's food packaging advice.
Yeah. What they put in shoes. Probably healthy too. Right?
Don't eat it though.
Yeah, don't swallow that. Well, thank you for watching. We got lots of other vegan cheese reviews where you will get informed information about what sucks and what's delicious. And I got lots of other delicious videos, recipes, and all types of cooking videos, so check some of that out. Thank you, Chelsea, for helping out on this vegan cheese exploration. Thanks for watching. Bye now.